Want to capture those special moments from your FaceTime calls? Whether it's a family reunion or a gaming session with friends, screen recording your FaceTime calls can be super handy. Let's dive into a few different methods to do just that. Part 1. Using Edimakor. For more advanced features and customization, consider using third-party screen recording software. Let's take a look at Edimakor. First, add the FaceTime window as a source. Then, configure your audio settings to capture both your system audio and microphone. Finally, start the recording. Part 2. Using QuickTime Player. If you're a Mac user, QuickTime Player is a built-in tool that can do the trick. Simply open QuickTime Player, go to File, New Screen Recording. Remember to adjust your system preferences to ensure that your microphone is being recorded as well. Select your FaceTime window and click the record button. Part 3. Using your iPhone's screen recording feature. Did you know that you can also record your FaceTime calls directly on your iPhone? Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center and tap the screen recording button. Make sure to tap the microphone icon to include audio. When you're done, tap the red recording bar at the top of the screen to stop. And that's it. Now you know how to record your FaceTime calls with audio. Whether you're capturing memories or creating content, these methods will help you get the job done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials.